from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to go to the movies. I'm trying to figure out, is this one backwards? Oh no, I think I got deodorant on it. I don't know, it's deodorant or lotion or something. But I'm getting ready to go to the movies and I'm putting on my outfit, so I'm gonna show what I'm wearing. I'm not sure if I'm wearing this yet, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna see, but I think I'm wearing this. I'm pretty sure I'm wearing this, but we're gonna see. Let me show y'all. So I got on my yeah, I did just trip, but I have on my blue Ed Hardy set with like a black turtleneck underneath. Like does it give or does it not give? I don't know. Like I feel like it gives, but I don't know. I'm gonna wear my nameplate necklace. Hold on. 5 o'clock and I'm leaving at 7, so yeah, but I don't even know where my nameplate necklace is. I found it, but I'm gonna wear this. Hold on, but anyways, we gonna wear this. If I can get it on. All right, hold on, because why I thought it was on. I'm dead. Y'all, this is actually so cute. It's very comfy too. Like it gives very comfy, chill. Like look at the back. Yeah, it gives very comfy, very chill, very cutesy, very dumb. But yeah, so I got on my necklace and my outfit. What was I about to say? So my earrings, I don't have no earrings right now, but I gotta redo my edges, y'all, so don't mind that. But I'm about to just wear like 4 of my stud earrings because yeah. So let me put these in and I'll get back to y'all. One thing I never understood is how do people put their earrings in like without having to look in a mirror? Yeah, I don't mind my deodorant sitting on my bed, but how do people put earrings in without having to look into a mirror? Like I really don't get that. I really don't understand. I really don't. All right. Yeah, I want to get a third ear piercing so freaking bad. Like it's so bad. Well, like technically it's my 5th and 6th, but I mean 3rd because like what was I saying? Let me put this up. I forgot what I was talking about. Girl, I'm dead serious. I forgot what I was talking about. Oh, my 3rd ear piercing. Yes, I want to get a 3rd one. It's like 2 just looks so cute on me, so I feel like a 3rd one would just eat down. Like it would just eat down so bad. Yeah, I had to go in a mirror to put this one on because I don't know why I don't know why I wasn't going in, but yeah. So I got my earrings in. And then I'm gonna put the bow, like y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put the bow on a ponytail. I don't know how it's gonna look, but we're gonna see. White or black? I think black. I'm gonna do black. I don't want to do white because it's gonna throw the outfit colors off. So let me see how I look though, because it's like down low. I don't know. I'm about to put it in and watch this clip back to see how it look. Because I really don't know. This is how it look, y'all. Let me watch it back. Alright, yeah, it looks cute, so I'm gonna wear it. I'm just trying to like. Alright, and the shoes that I'm gonna wear, I'm gonna wear these because it goes with the fit the most. Like, these is the shoes I'm wearing. I ain't gonna put them on yet though, because I still got like an hour and a half till I leave, so yeah. But let me put the third one in this ear. Alright, y'all, I did it. It's cute or whatever. It's cute. I don't want to tuck this one behind my ear, but it's like I gotta put it in the ponytail because it don't look right. We gonna keep it like that. Cause I ain't even too worried about it, so we gonna keep it like this. Yeah. I'm high, y'all. I'm about to take this jacket off until I'm ready to leave. Cause ain't no way. I'm too hot. Big check of the day. I'm gonna let y'all know where everything is from. Okay, so it's from Temu. This shirt, I think it's from like Russ or Marshalls. It's my sister's. I stole it, so I really don't know. But yeah, then this Ed Hardy set, the top and the pants is from Fashion Nova. If y'all did not see my Fashion Nova clothing video, go check that out because that's the video that I showed y'all the setting. So yeah, go look. But my shoes are from, I ordered them off of Foot Locker. Yeah, that's the little outfit of the day. So I'm about to do my edges and probably touch up my makeup real quick because baby Aquaphor is like way better than regular Aquaphor. Like low key, I didn't even know they had baby Aquaphor. Anyways, the what's it called? The scent of the day. I'm using this roll-on. I'm using this roll-on perfume and it is called Love Spell. Smells so good. If y'all got Love Spell from Victoria's Secret, then y'all know what it smells like. It smells just like that, but it smells so good. And yeah, we about to put this on. I got this from my local beauty supply store, but trust me, y'all, get the Love Spell from why was I about to say Bath and Body Works? Get the Love Spell perfume from get Love Spell from Victoria's Secret. I'm telling you, it just smells so good. Like, it smells like real tropical, but also real fruity, but also real like classy, demure. Like, I don't know, but it's real. It smells real good. Love Spell smells so good. Yeah, I be rubbing it on my hand, and then I rub my hands together and put it on my shirt. And that's how you get it to smell on your shirt. Shirt, jacket, wherever you're putting it. Love Spell perfume, the roll-on perfume. I'm gonna just use this. Hold on. This Pearl perfume smells real good. Y'all, these two scents together have you smelling so good. Trust me, you will get so many compliments. And I'm speaking from experience. You will get so many compliments. I'm just telling you. Oh, this is from Ross, by the way. But it's like probably the best smelling Ross perfume that I like ever got. Like, best smelling Ross perfume ever. I swear to God. But yeah, I will catch y'all I will catch y'all when I'm getting ready to head out, or maybe when I'm there. I'm not sure, but yeah. Hey y'all, so I'm in the grocery store getting some ingredients for dinner. I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of me cooking or whatever, but I'm making chicken alfredo. All right, hey y'all, so I'm looking for the stuff. I got y'all in the cart. Got this drink out of there. It's called, what is it called? Bubbly Burst. And it's triple berry. It's so good. Alright, hey y'all. So it is the next day. Don't mind my edges. I know I look crazy, but I just came on here to explain to y'all. What happened. So yesterday I did not vlog at the movies, but I did go watch Beetlejuice. So is the camera crooked? I'm sorry, y'all. It's Sunday and I'm getting ready to do my edges if I can find an edge control, like. But I gotta get this video tonight, so I'm probably gonna upload this like right after I'm done this clip. But yesterday I went to the movies. I watched Beetlejuice. It was real good, y'all. It was good. Yeah, then I went to get some food after that. That was it. But yeah, y'all, look at my eyelashes. Didn't I eat them? And y'all, I did them by myself. Bottom lashes and top. Swear to God. I look crazy, but y'all, I'm taking this hair out this week. And I'm gonna probably do like a middle part bust down with some crimps in it. It's gonna be real cute. I don't know. I'm gonna do something like that. I know I look mad crazy. But this is the end of the video, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I will talk to you in the next video. Share my channel. Let your friends and family know. Subscribe to me because we are so close to 10K. Get to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you on the next video.